Hey everybody, Jason here. I'm in front of John K. King Bookstore here in downtown Detroit. An old factory turned into a bookstore, and it boasts close to 1 million books. Rare and hard to find, so let's go inside and check it out. Now, to get the real feel for this bookstore, you kind of have to understand the story of Detroit, especially the recent history. Detroit has fallen on some hard times because of the recession, but this is the Motor City. These are car-building people. They're tough. And so the city is recuperating. It's taking what is old and damaged and salvaging it. And that's what this used bookstore is all about. Taking all these old, dog-eared books and repurposing them, and in repurposing them in a repurposed building, an old factory. So as soon as you come into this bookstore, you get this vibe of the old and the rundown being reused and given new life. So it's not a pristine and clean Barnes & Noble, far from it. It's kind of shabby, but that's what gives it its charm. And it's collected all these books that have sort of fallen through the cracks of popular culture and are going to be more of your cult classic books. And this bookstore has been around for a long time, since I believe 1985 or 1986. So it's established its own culture, it's established its own feel, and that was the first impression I had. Like, okay, there's a system to this place that's established, and as a newcomer, I don't know that system. You have to use a map to go around the store. There's no computer cataloging, it's not modern, it's not up to date, but again, that's what gives it its charm. This isn't the kind of bookstore where you go and look for popular authors that are, going to be on the front shelves of Barnes & Noble or airport bookstores. This is the place you go to look for forgotten authors and forgotten books. So I got some Ellison and Bradbury. They were recommended to me. As you can tell, old and shabby, someone drew in pen on the title. I highly recommend it. It was quite an experience. You could be in there for hours. I had limited time, so I wasn't there for very long. So if you're in the Detroit area, stop on by the John K. King Bookstore. It's worth the trip. So this has been the first episode of places authors and writers and readers should visit. Please subscribe to my channel for more news on books and stories, and I'll see you next time.